Yo, 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 party people, here I am at my boat. I tried to show you coming home. Look at this shit. That's towards Kentucky, more towards the south. And that's the system that is heading that way, which is behind me. It is raining. Pretty steady now. And I hope tomorrow's gonna be better. But I thought I'd show you. Check these clouds out. Always have some creepy clouds. It's starting to rain a little harder. So there's a dinosaur or some kind of head of a creature there floating in the sky. Look at that. That's crazy shit, dudes. I'm on phone. There you go. Look. It's got a really white cloud beyond that gray one. It's not a chair.